The world of artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving. Today we have self-driving cars, advanced robots, and personalized virtual assistants. But amongst all these technological advancements, there's a particular one that's revolutionizing the way we generate and understand human language: the ChatGPT model by OpenAI. This advanced language model has the ability to understand, generate, and even improvise human-like text. So, let's dive in and understand exactly what this ChatGPT is all about, what makes it so special, and how it is influencing the AI landscape. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence model that can generate human-like text based on the prompts given to it. It's essentially a chatbot with the ability to understand context and produce relevant, coherent responses. The GPT in ChatGPT stands for Generative Pretraining Transformer, which is a series of AI models developed by OpenAI. But how does ChatGPT work? How does it generate such convincingly human-like text? It all boils down to how the model is trained. ChatGPT uses a type of artificial neural network called a transformer architecture, which allows it to handle large amounts of data, manage relationships between words, and predict the likelihood of each word based on the preceding text. The strength of ChatGPT lies in its understanding of context. The model is not simply responding to the latest input, it's considering all the previous exchanges in the conversation, much like how humans do. This ability to keep track of context enables more coherent and meaningful interactions. Each ChatGPT model is trained in two main steps. First is unsupervised learning, where it learns from a diverse range of internet texts. But it's not just absorbing the data, it's learning to predict what comes next. If you give it a sentence, it learns to generate the next one. Secondly, there is supervised fine-tuning, where human reviewers follow guidelines provided by OpenAI. These reviewers review and rate different model outputs for a range of example inputs. The model then uses this feedback to refine its predictions and improve its overall performance. ChatGPT's ability to generate human-like text opens up a world of possibilities. It's being used in customer service for faster response times, as a creative writing assistant, in generating dynamic dialogues for video games, and even as an educational tool. As impressive as ChatGPT is now, the future is even brighter. OpenAI is constantly refining the model to make it more versatile, effective, and reliable. Imagine a future where AI not only understands us, but also generates content that is indistinguishable from that created by humans. Subscribe for more videos.